Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to biggest off-campus drive and this video is related to 22-23 batch. Sprinkle biggest off-campus hiring, salary is 10 LPA plus no 60% criteria is there. This opportunity is posted on the LinkedIn website. Must apply for this opportunity because package is 10 LPA plus. Sprinkle automation engineer salary according to Ambition Box is 16.4 lakh for 0 to 1 years of experience level. So basically Sprinkle officially announced the automation engineer opportunity. Already 1162 applicants applied for this opportunity. Gurugram is the location. 22 and 23 batch is eligible. 0 to 1 years is the experience. I suggest all of you to please apply for this opportunity as soon as possible. बिकॉज कभी भी लिंक एक्सपायर हो सकती है, मैं आपको पहले ही बता रहा हूं, फिर मुझे बहुत सारे कमेंट्स देखने को मिलेंगे कि लिंक एक्टिव नहीं है. सो मैं आप सभी को पहले ही बता रहा हूं कि जल्दी से जल्दी इसमें अप्लाई करें. ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल डू, you have to you own the end-to-end testing of data pipeline and platform setup. You will participate in all the day to QA task. If you have 0 to 1 year of testing of any SaaS product and clear understanding of architecture, you can apply. If you are freshers, you will also consider, otherwise they will mention that कि ये experience के लिए, but they mention 0 to 1 year, so freshers can easily apply. Okay, so basically knowledge of data structures and algorithm and good object oriented design and coding skills. Okay, understanding of test skills, management tool like Jira or relevant testing experience of microservices. If there is any platform or tool experience, so most probably it is for the 1 year experience batch. Okay, because 22 and 23 batch are like 23 batch are now in the college, so that's why they will consider some skill set. Okay, but there is no 60% criteria. You have to click on easy apply, where you have to submit your resume, fill your details and apply for this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity because it is very good for the freshers batch. And I already posted 2 videos, Hexaview, Simons, TCS is also hiring. Okay, so basically TCS exam is on the 14th May. Must apply for the opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.